welcome back to another video. Thank you all for joining me and watching my videos, joining my channel. For those who join the channel, thank you so much. And guys, I was in the greengrocery shop and I came across these peaches, and when I look at the name, it says donut peaches. So guys, I've decided to purchase just 4, and along with the 4 peaches I will use 3 apples, 2 oranges and 1 mango and a piece of ginger to make a lovely juice. So guys, as I tell you before, anything with this color is good for eyes, vitamin C. So guys, let's get into this video, and what I will do, I'll do some research and see how these peaches become to look like a donut. I've never seen this before, so I decided I would just purchase them and let everybody see that we have donut peaches. So let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I've decided to show you what peach tree look like, the blossoms on the trees, and look at how beautiful it looks. Look at the donut peaches in the tree. So guys, I've washed all my fruits and I'm just gonna cut these peaches and maybe just use 3. I need to take the seeds out. So guys, I've washed all my fruits and I'm just gonna cut these peaches and maybe just use 3. I need to take the seeds out. So guys, I've cut my peaches in half, and this is all the seed, because I cannot leave the seed in it, so it will damage the juicer. So I'm gonna just take the seed out. Look how juicy this look. So guys, I'm gonna pop them in my glass bowl, and as you know, I can put the apples in the juicer just as is. So I'm gonna peel my oranges, leave a little bit of the rind on it, and I'm gonna cut my mango. Let's see if this mango is bright. It's okay. It's okay. So guys, this is how I'm going to take my mango away from the skin and pop in the bowl. You can use the skin if you want in your juice, but I choose not to. I'm going to cut off this part because it looks like it has some bruising on it. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And guys, I'm not going to bother to peel my ginger today. So you don't have to peel the ginger, you know, you can just cut them into small pieces. So my ginger is washed already. You just need to just cut them small. I'm going to use another piece and just cut them down the line like this. So guys, you know ginger is good for inflammation in your body, and an apple a day keep the doctor away. So these are the apples. So guys, I'm gonna use my apple core. And just take the middle piece, just to pour out. Look at that. So this can go. You can mark it, you can leave the core in if you want, but I just choose to take it out today. This is another nice gadget to have around the house. Wow. Then you just gently turn it and it slides down, all the way down, and then you pull it out like this. I'm going to be using just 2 oranges, so I've peeled one already. This drink is going to be very refreshing. I hope all my subscribers and the non-subscribers that watch also will try out this drink. Guys, you can join the channel if you want. As I said, you can leave a little bit of the brine on it, just to give it a little bit of tangy taste. So let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna leave one of my donut peaches so I can use it to do my decorations. So guys, I've turned my machine on and put in my orange in, and I'm gonna go next with an apple. I can't tell you how I love this juicer. Look at how it's crushing the power in this Coven Revo 830. Very powerful. Look at it, guys. So guys, the new commercial guide screw has a self-cutting top. When you drop carrots, celery or cucumbers into the feeding chute, the screw chops the ingredients before pressing it. And this is why I love my Coven juicer. Look at my mangoes. I'm taking up my mangoes and my peach and some ginger to put into my juicer. So guys, as you can see, the pulp is coming out slowly into the pulp cup, and of course we have another cup which is the juice cup. The color is so beautiful. Look at how the color of the donut peach look. So guys, my first batch of juice is finished. So I am gonna continue to make the second batch of juice. So guys, I'm gonna continue to make the second batch of juice. So I'm gonna turn my machine on, and I'm gonna put the rest of my fruits in the chute and allow it to mix well. This fruit is looking so nice. I tell you, I taste a piece of the donut fruit. The donut peach is so yummy. It is sweet as. So guys, I'm gonna add another orange which I've peeled off camera, so that I can have a good amount of juice to have a full bottle to store in my fridge for 2 days. And guys, I forgot to tell you that this peach has another name, which is the Saturn peach, or the saucer peach, because it's shaped just like a saucer. And guys, this is the last thing. I am gonna add a lemon to it, and lemon alkalize your body. So guys, this is the second batch of juice. Look how yellow it looks. What a combination, guys. I hope you all will try this juice. I've just turned on the machine to pump out the small bit of juice that's inside. So guys, I went outside and picked some flowers. So I'm gonna use them to decorate around. So this is the donut peach, the orange apple, and I've used a mango, which that's the mango. I don't have a slice to decorate it, a slice of mango, so I'm going to leave that out. And then I'm going to pour my drink in. Then I'm going to pop just a piece of mint at the top. So guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day.